Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're doing something every girl needs, 10 super cute and super easy hairstyles you can literally do in 2 minutes. Let's get started. 1. Part your hair, leave the front pieces out, and clip the rest back. Tuck the front sections behind your ears and secure with an elastic, then remove the clip. Make 2 mini braids from the top sides, and create a small high ponytail at the crown, just the top hair, then pull it slightly forward for a cute, lifted look. Take out a little hair from both front sides. Then take only the upper section of your hair to the back and make a small ponytail, not all your hair. Now flip this small ponytail upwards and inward. After flipping, place a cute claw clip right under the pony. And you're done, a soft, cute hairstyle ready. 3. First, take all your back hair and make a ponytail from the upper section only. Then flip this small ponytail inward. Now make 2 small braids from the front on both sides, and tuck them into the back ponytail. Finally, add a claw clip on top. And your cute hairstyle is ready. 4. For short hair, spray a little hairspray first. Then take out small sections from both front sides and curl them. After that, gather the back hair and make a small ponytail. Flip this ponytail inward. Finally, place a claw clip on top. And a super cute hairstyle for short hair is done. 5. Part your hair, then make small braids from the front on both sides. Take these braids to the back and secure them with a rubber band. Then place a claw clip right under the pony. And your cute hairstyle is done. 6. Part your hair, then take sections from both sides below the ears and make 2 braids. Loosen the braids a little for a soft look. Now cross both braids to the opposite sides and pin them in place. Finally, add a cute ribbon on one side at the top. And your pretty hairstyle is ready. 7. Part your hair, then take small front sections from both sides and bring them to the back. Make 2 small ponytails on both sides. Now, under each ponytail, make a short braid. After that, place a cute ribbon on top of each pony. And your adorable hairstyle is ready. 8. Leave a few strands of hair in the front, then make a low ponytail at the back. Loosen it slightly and flip the ponytail inward. Loosen it again a little for a soft look, then add a cute fancy rubber band. And your pretty hairstyle is done. 9. Take the top section of your back hair and make a ponytail. Add a ribbon on top of that pony. Then divide the ponytail into 2 sections and make 2 braids, keeping the ribbon attached. And your cute hairstyle is ready. 10. Leave a few front strands and part your hair. Make a ponytail on both sides. Keep flipping each ponytail inward all the way down, then secure the ends with a rubber band. And your cute hairstyle is done. And that's it, babes. Comment which one you'll try tomorrow. Like, subscribe, and share with your bestie. See you in the next video.